Open your Tradingview and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend. Then, simply select Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend by Algo Alpha. Now, configure the Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend Indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the value of Supertrend factor to 2. To make it more visible, change the bullish color to green. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for labels and tables. Once you've made the changes, simply click OK to save them. Basically, the usage of the Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend Indicator is the same as other Supertrend indicators. If a green arrow appears, it signals a buy. Meanwhile, if a red arrow appears, it signals a sell. However, before placing an order, you must first confirm the signal generated by the indicator. Hello traders! Welcome back to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. The trading strategy discussed in this video is one of the most effective scalping strategies and can be used on almost any asset. You can apply this scalping strategy to forex, gold, crypto, and various other assets. In this example, we will use this strategy for 15-minute crypto scalping. However, you can also use it on other time frames. That's why, besides being suitable for scalping, this trading strategy can also be applied to day trading, intraday, or even swing trading. So, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Now, let's continue. Now, add the second indicator that will be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator. Then, simply select the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator from this creator. Go to the Input tab and adjust the settings as follows. Since we are using a 15-minute time frame, set the indicator time frame to 1 hour. To set the indicator time frame, you can select a time frame approximately 3 levels higher than the one you are using. Examples: if you use a 1-minute chart time frame, set the indicator time frame to 15 minutes. If you use a 5-minute chart time frame, set the indicator time frame to 30 minutes. Next, set the ATR period to 10. Then, set the ATR factor to 5. Now, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the unnecessary elements, just like I did. Once everything is set, simply click OK to save the changes. This scalping strategy uses the break and retest method, where the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator is used to identify potential entry zones. If the Swingarm ATR bars are green, it signals a bullish trend. Before placing an order, wait for the price candlestick to retest back into the indicator area. If the Swingarm ATR bars are red, it signals a bearish trend. Before placing an order, wait for the price candlestick to retest back into the indicator area. To make it clearer, let's now discuss how to place entry buy and entry sell in this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator bars are green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this case, you should only look for the best entry point for a buy. Ensure that the price candlestick has retested the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator area. Once the retest is complete and the Adaptive Supertrend Indicator has given a buy signal, you must confirm the buy signal. confirm that the newly formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the lowest point of the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator. Use a take profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator bars are red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this case, you should only look for the best entry point for a sell. Ensure that the price candlestick has retested the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator area. Once the retest is complete and the adaptive Supertrend indicator has given a sell signal, you must confirm the sell signal. Confirm that the newly formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the highest point of the Swingarm ATR Trend Indicator. Use a take profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.